A worker gathering large armfuls of raw, unwashed wool from the desert floor.
A wide shot of a massive centrifuge. The camera rotates, creating his nibbles that
A massive pile of clean, white and tan wool sitting under a bright spotlight.
The funnel effect. A wide sheet of wool is being sucked into a small hole, condensing into a thick, soft rope called a sliver. Ready for the next stage. Extreme macro shot of a tiny metal traveler flying around a ring, twisting the yarn. You can see the individual fibers being compressed and strengthened by the twist.
Macro shot of an air splicer machine. Two ends of yarn are put together, a puff of air happens, and they are fused invisibly.
Extreme close-up of the beater on the loom hitting the weft thread into the fabric. Every strike is powerful and rhythmic.
Macro shot of the edge of the fabric, the selve edge. A tiny mechanical needle tucks the yarn back in, creating a perfect
Natural dried thistles or metal wires are brushing the surface of the wool fabric to pull up the soft fibers. The fabric becomes fuzzy and soft. Close-up of the fabric passing between heated, polished rollers. This gives the camel wool a subtle, expensive-looking shine or luster.
A cinematic reveal shot. A camel wool overcoat is placed on a wooden mannequin. The camera pans from
A wide shot of the desert at sunset. The wind is blowing ripples into the sand, mimicking
Feel the difference here, son. This is the coarse hair wool.
And this one is soft.
That's the down wool. It's very fine.
A push-in shot into a dusty archive room filled with old leather-bound books. These are the original recipe books.
Make sure you try the paneer.
It looks delicious.
Save some room for the rice pudding.
A seamless transition from a single microscopic llama camel fiber to a wide aerial shot of the entire factory.
Camel.